Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So this is the giveaway video, and in this video we'll be giving away the Australian $2 coin collection folders. We'll be giving away 10 of them, and they've been very kindly donated by mycollectibles.com.au to celebrate the fact that we have reached 20,000 subscribers on PJ's Coin Capers. So let's just have a little look at the actual folder that we'll be giving away today. There they are, beautifully designed, and got some very popular $2 coins on the cover, and plenty of spaces for each of the $2 coins to fit in there. And it also goes all the way to 2022 Commonwealth Games. It does have the honeybee in there, and the frontline workers coin, and 4 spare spots. So this folder will certainly last for years to come. All right, so let's jump on to our random comment picker. Now, this is where we like to, use this to pick out our 10 random comments. Now, the comments do need to follow the rules. Now, they do need to let me know exactly what coin I like to hunt through the most, noodle through the most, as well as yourself. I can't take a half comment where you've just told me what I like to do. I need to know what you like to do as well. So I will be picky in that regard. That was one of the rules that we have set for this giveaway. So 10 of you will be getting one of those $2 coin collection folders from mycollectibles.com.au. All right, so let's start. I have dropped in the URL from that particular video that you guys have left the comments. We will filter out duplicate users, as well as we'll remove winners from the list after the draw. All right, so let's see exactly how many of you will be in this draw. All right, we have 373. All right, so let's start picking and see exactly who our 10 winners will be. Daniel Pruse. Hey PJ, in came your channel. Yeah, I came to your channel a year ago, and it has helped spark my interest for coins. I started collecting a few years ago and have added many coins to my collection. Thanks for making all these videos. Your favorite coin roll to hunt through is the 50 cent, which was what I started with. Now I enjoy $2 coin rolls best. So thank you, Daniel Pruse. I will just get your details, your name down, and I'll let everyone know exactly what they need to do at the end of this video, so you can make contact with me and I can send out your gifts. All right, so now we have the opportunity to pick another winner. All right, here we go. I cannot even pronounce it. As the Q. All right, good job. So I'm sorry, that's not a complete comment. I'm sorry, you are not eligible for this prize. Should have read the comment first. All right. I don't think this one qualifies as well. All right, sorry, you have to listen to the rules. 2 in a row. I don't like doing that. All right, here we go. We definitely got a winner here. Jalfa Richter, congratulations on 20,000 subs. Your favorite is 50. Mine is the $2 coin, especially the colored ones. So there we go. Our second winner for this video. Like I said, guys, I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to pick those winners, but I did state the rules. So we have to press on. All right, let's keep going. Our next winner. Yes, we do have a winner. Andre0914. Thanks so much for this video. Your favorite roll to noodle is the 50 cent, and my favorite is the $1, as my first noodle involved me finding a few new ones to add to my collection. All right, Andre, just writing this down. So, okay, there we go. All right, now I'm going to let you guys in on something. We will be giving away another 10, okay? So keep watching to the end of this video and I'll let you know exactly what you need to do in order to be involved. All right, muddling is an art form. 50 cents is for you. I enjoy 20 cents in particular. Congratulations on reaching 20,000. So thank you very much. Muddling is an art form. I'm just going to quickly write that down. There we go. All right, let's pick another winner, guys. So that's 4 down. This is not going to qualify. I'm sorry. And neither is that one. You need to tell me what your favorite is. And do we have a... Yep, okay. Matt Hyde. I also like collecting the 50 cent coins. So basically saying that that's my favorite as well as his. So that qualifies, but collect the lot to pass down to my kids one day. Still learning about cards and other types of coins as well from your videos. All right, Matt Hyde, you have qualified. Oh, I feel really bad about not giving away these. But anyway, we'll keep moving on. I was hoping none of these ones would pop up, but it does happen. Oh, man, another one. It's all happening. All right. Sorry. All right, so Pat F, my favorite is $2. Your favorite is 50, which is my second favorite. Pat F, thanks very much for following along, and you certainly watched the whole video, which is the kind of the point of why I do what I do, is so that you do watch the whole videos. Yours 50 cent, mine too. So Ted Evans, that does also qualify you to win one of these $2 rolls, $2 collection sets. All right, let's keep going. Collection folders, I should say. That was number 7. Whoa, we've got a lot to read here. Let's just... I don't think this has got anything to do with... no. Oh, what's going on here? What did I do there? Oh, here. All right. Oh, it did pick another winner. All right. Sarah Irons, congrats on 20,000. Here to the next 20,000. Yours is 50 cent. Mine is $2. But least favorite for me would be the 5 cent pieces to go through. And that, yeah, I really struggle with the 5 cent coins purely because my eyesight is just getting terrible. But I go through it a different way. That's why I don't do it on camera so much. I just find it a little bit too slow. All right, so that was number 8. Number 9. All right, let's find another winner here. Julian Blanco, congratulations. Good work on 20,000 subs, PJ. PJ's favorite is 50 cent. Mine is the $2 coin. Okay, so Julian, congratulations. All right, now we have one more to go. Now I'm just going to give you some details on what needs to happen in order to redeem your prizes. Okay, so we've got one more to go. I will leave my email address in the description of this video. And if you could send me an email, let me know exactly who you are. Let me know what your YouTube name is. I will need your address in order to send it to you, or a PO box will be perfectly fine. So make sure you just get that done, and I'll send you out one of these prizes on behalf of mycollectibles.com.au. All right, so we've got one more to do, and straight after that, I'll let you know what we need to do in order to have another opportunity to win one. All right, so let's pick our final winner for this video. And once again, thanks to everyone who entered. I should have said that at the start. We've had such a great, overwhelming response to that last video. And I know I haven't done many giveaways in the past, but I really do enjoy doing them. So let's pick our final winner. Honey Chops, your preferred denomination of roll is to hunt is the old 50 cent. Mine is the $1 roll. they pay out big sometimes. They do, certainly do. If you can find a mule or some sort of highly sought after error coin, you will certainly get a good payoff. All right, so let's jump on to our final page. Now we're onto the mycollectibles.com.au website, and there you can see our Australian $2 coin folder there. But I just want to give you another opportunity to win, and we've got 10 more of these to give away. So all you need to do is leave a comment on this video. So any winners that leave a comment, you're free to leave a comment, but if your name does get chosen, you will not be eligible because you've already won one. So we'll give another 10 people a chance. Comment wise, just leave a comment. It doesn't matter what you write, as long as it's about coins. Someone will probably write, just leave a comment or something like that. But anyway, try and make it about coins, and we'll have another opportunity in the next few days to do another one of these draws. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this little giveaway thanks to mycollectibles.com.au, and we'll have another one for you really, really soon. Leave a comment. Thanks, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Very important. We've really jumped up well over 20,000. We're up over 20,500 now. Like 500 have joined really, really quickly. So it's great to see lots of new people coming into the hobby. All right, guys, that is it. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll have another one for you very soon. Bye for now.